Alright everyone, welcome to Flights tonight. Got some weather in the area going into Miami International, the Cessna Caravan. It's our first night with our new call sign, Prestige, which is the call sign of Plantonair now. So tonight we're flying with another charter airline, Skyfall is their call sign. You will hear them on frequency as well. A little bit of air traffic control on tonight. We got Miami approach online. So hopefully this can be an interesting approach into Miami. Right now we're at 10,000 feet cruising. Just waiting on further instructions. We got our squawk code, which was 3730 on Miami approach frequency at this time. We have the ILS runway 9 as he told us to expect. The frequency here is in standby and an out-1 radio, and he's going to be vectoring us as we expect. So just gonna wait for him to vector us to the ILS, and then we'll activate once he vectors us for the approach. And most likely we'll have the visual of the runway by then, but if the weather's as bad as it seems, we'll have to shoot the ILS approach. But we have that already here set up in our GPS. So
Skyfall 700, continue to descend, descend and maintain 1,500 now.
we should be next with descent. Okay. Probably in the next 5 miles he'd probably give us instructions to descend and maybe turn off to the left just a little. It's supposed to be a lot of weather in Miami. I'm seeing a lot of stars. I don't know. Seeing a lot of stars out there.
Prestige 132, fly heading 290, descend and maintain 8,000.
Left turn 290 down to 8,000, Prestige 132. Alright, we started descent down to 8,000. And we got 290 heading. Start that turn now. Watch the speed so we don't overspeed. Descend just a little faster. Let's do like 1,000 feet per minute. Not pressurized, so we don't want to hurt no one's head.
Skyfall 700, turn 10 degrees right.
That's Homer, Skyfall. Alright, coming up on 1,000 to go. Nice night out here. It's a little windy though. From time to time you can watch the instruments. You'll see where the plane's been dancing quite a bit. Alright. Good speed under control. That light's out in front of us, that's Homer. Alright. 5,000 feet in just a minute. 100. There we go, leveling off. Alright, add some power to compensate for the nose coming back to level flight. Let's look at the map, see what we got going on. Oh, not much traffic at all. Just me and Homer and this American airline 38, and he's on the ground. So they're gonna vector us. If you can see where this black plane is, REE 700. That's Homer. So they're gonna vector us, come around.
Prestige 132.
Go ahead for Prestige 132.
Prestige 132 to set and maintain 5,000.
5,000 Prestige 132. Alright. Send to 5,000. GS down at 1,000 feet per minute. And control that speed.
And your first greetings to Bahamas, 223. We're currently flight level 140. Down the Folly tree. I'm not sure when to contact you.
There he is. And
Prestige 132 to set and maintain 1,500.
Alright, 1,500 Prestige 132, thanks.
On the 223 radar contact 5 miles south of the base waypoint, expecting Iowa 9er approach, Miami altimeter 29er, 901.
This is a beautiful night out here.
For Alice, turning for balance entry.
Beautiful night out here, and the map saying, even the map saying we're supposed to have rain, thunderstorm. Just not seeing it. So yeah, so the Garmin GTN 750 put in the ILS 9er approach, and it was nice enough to put the plate on here for us. So we zoom in a little, see runway 9er there. We're most likely going to be vectored to
Skyfall 700, 3 miles from Ines, flight heading 070, maintain 1,500 till established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 9er approach.
070, 50 knots, established, get out of the running, flight 1,000.
Where is he on this map? It's him over here to 130. That light up there. I don't see him on the map anymore. Slow it down. Still a little high. I believe we want us to get down a little faster. There she goes. Dance, baby, dance. There's the
Skyfall
ring.
700, contact Miami Tower, 118.3, have a good one, thanks for flying.
Towers online, 1803.
Grade reflect.
Alright, towers online. Alright, we got some ATC action for you guys tonight. And there go the rain. Here comes the rain again. And there it goes again. Oh my. There's Homo over there on approach. almost a beam grid, so he's probably going to give us a turn momentarily. 3,200 feet. Or he might just let us get a little lower before he turns. We'll see what happens.
Prestige 132, flight heading 360.
360 for Prestige 132. So he's giving us a north heading. There's our turn to the north.
Bahamas 223, descend at pilot's discretion, maintain 8,000.
And there it is.
15
That's
dollars
great.
for Bahamas Country.
This guy's pretty decent. Factoring us like we're doing the entire approach. Good job. About 700 feet to go to 1,500. Traffic out there.
Skyfall 700, Roger, you can, your runway 9, you're clear to land. I'll get in contact with them.
It's the airport right over there. Power in a little. I don't have nothing on my TCAS, but this one like an airplane over there. I don't know. Woo! Okay. I asked for the storm and there it is. Okay, right turn.
132, 3 miles from Inus, flight heading 070, maintain 1,500 till established on the localizer, clear to ILS, runway 9er approach.
I say heading again for Prestige 132.
Prestige 132, it'll be heading 070.
070, maintain 1,500 till established. Prestige 132.
Skyfall 700, welcome to Miami, say parking. Skyfall 700, Roger, taxi to parking via Yankee, Papa, Zulu, cross runway 12.
Alright.
Prestige 132, contact Miami Tower 118.3.
Alright, 118.3, Prestige 132.
Bahamas 223, flight 280.
Oh, no. Tower Prestige 132, good evening. We're on the ILS 9er.
Prestige 132, Miami Tower, hello. Runway 9er clear to land, I'll have the wind for you in just a second.
Roger, clear to land 9er, Prestige 132. Alright. So here we are, we're...
Prestige 132, winds are variable at 4 at the moment.
Copy winds, thank you, Prestige 132. Alright, so...
Miami Tower, UPS 23 Heavy requesting an IFR clearance down into Dubai International.
In front of us.
UPS 23
Slow
Heavy,
down.
Miami Tower, you're clear to the Dubai airport via the
That's
Fold 1
fast.
departure, Fold transition, and as filed. Maintain 5,000, expect flight level tree at 1010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency is going to be on 124.85, squawk 5,
Speed check.
746.
Flaps 10.
Okay, UPS 23 Heavy is clear to the Dubai International Airport using the Falls 1 Falls transition as filed. Climb maintain 5,000. Expect flight level 310, 10 minutes of departure. Departure frequency 124.85 and transponder 5746.
BS-23 Heavy, read back correct. Expect runway 9 for departure. Call for taxi.
We'll expect runway 9 and we'll call for taxi for UPS-23 Heavy.
Thomas 223, continue to descend and maintain 3,000.
Alright, we're 2 red, 2 white, so we're on the glide slope. Aircraft has control.
Reverse 75 Hotel Juliet, Miami approach. Hello, clearance on request. Expect PDC.
The traffic down there, but it's pretty clear, so let's go. Autopilot off. Yaw damper. We'll fly this the rest of the way by hand. Try to keep that speed.
Apple 700, cross runway 8 left. Correction, runway 8 right and 8 left at Zulu.
Alright, let's get a little lower than the glide slope. There we go. Don't do this in real life. We want a short landing, we get a little low. Coming down. Uh-oh.
Number 75 Hotel Juliet, Miami approach. Stand by for taxi. 1 second. Number 75 Hotel Juliet, looks like the winds are changing from west stops to east stops there. Runway 9er looks like it's the best right now. Runway 9er taxi via Bravo Alpha.
Runway's made, not worrying about that 4 red lights there. I can kill the power and still make the runway, so let's get down and
A-firm 3535, I'm just showing an RDR track on my side, which usually means that the transponders, you have mode C turned off or the transponder's off altogether. On the 223, roger, thank you. Bahamas 223, say altitude. On the 223, roger, thank you.
alright, welcome to Miami.
Prestige 132, welcome to Miami. Exit left on Able, and I'm assuming you're heading up to the signature ramp.
Left 1 able, A-firm to signature, Prestige 132.
Prestige 132, roger. You can taxi to parking via Tango Yankee Papa Zulu. Cross runway 12, hold short runway 8 right.